Well, once again, on finding the gradient and equation of a straight line, we come to equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line, three equations are given, of which you must understand. Three equations are given that you must understand. The first equation which is given as y is equal to mx plus c. What this equation means, this equation, you only use it when midpoints and, because m means midpoint and c, which is the y-intercept, are given. Okay, so you use it, this one, only when the gradient is given and also the y-intercept also they are known. Well, so this one we say the lines they meet at the letter C means the lines are meeting at y-intercept. So you have to know the value for this one, and then also you have to know the value for gradient. So this is our equation 1, the first one which is given. The second equation which is given here is this one, which is y minus y1 is equal to gradient, open bracket, x minus x1, cross bracket. This equation is only used when the gradient m is known and two coordinates of x and y are given. This is what you must understand. This one is only used when the gradient is known and also the value for y-intercept. But for this one, it's only applicable when the gradient is known and also the coordinates of two variables, which is y1 and then the x1. Okay, fine. Let's have the third one. The third equation is this one. The third equation, under equation of the straight line, it is the equation which is written as y minus y2 over x minus x2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this equation, it is only applicable when 2 points are known in the equation. So this one is used when the gradient is known, is only used when gradient is known and the y-intercept value also is known. This is the way you can use this one. Then this one is used if the gradient is also given with 2 points. With 2 points, which is x and y. That is when you can use these coordinates. Also, this equation can be used when 2 points are given. Okay, we have this one of x1, comma y1, and another one of x2, comma y2. So these are three equations of a straight line given under coordinate geometry. Now, in this case, we are going to have an example so that we may see the way we use these equations. Fine. Well, find an equation of a straight line. That's an example. Find an equation. Find an equation of a straight line. Find an equation of a straight line with a gradient 2 gradient 2 passing through the point which is 5, negative 3. Well, now, if we consider this question, find an equation of a straight line with gradient which is 2, and it is passing through the points 5, 3. Considering the three equations whereby we have the gradient which is given, and then the point is given, we are going to apply this formula on our solution as y minus y1 is equal to gradient, open bracket, x minus x1. Therefore, this one will be our x1 and this one our y1. So it will be y minus, our y1 is negative 3, equals our gradient is 2, open bracket, x minus, our x1 is 5, in brackets, then this one will be y plus 3 equals 2x minus 15. And then we are going to remain with y is equal to 2x minus 15 minus 3, of which this one will give us y is equal to 2x minus 18. So, if we find this one to say, let me reverse a minute here, I think. Just one point mistake, because 2 times 5 is 10. So y plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2 times 5 is 10. Yeah, fine. Therefore, y is equal to 2x minus 10 minus 3. So that we are going to have y is equal to 2x minus 13. Very good. So, if we find this one as y equals 2x minus 13, therefore, if we find this, what is going to happen? It means that we have found now the equation of a straight line passing through, with gradient 2 passing through the point 5, negative 3. In other way around, you can find this equation written like this. They have written it as y minus 2x equals negative 13. Do not worry, these things are the same, because negative 13, it is y-intercept. I hope you understand on this point. Follow me once again.